Hear, listen to, and sound. What is the best answer? Number 1. In his free time, Jared, music. Hears, sounds, listens, listens to. Listens to. 2. Sorry, I can't. You. Please speak up. Hear, sound, listen, listen to. Hear. 3. His voice, great. Everyone loved the song. Heard, sounded, listened, listened to. Sounded. 4. Carefully. This is very important. Hear, sound, listen, listen to. Listen. 5. Sheila always, when her friends have problems. Hears, sounds, listens, listens to. Listens. What's the difference? Hear refers to general perception. There's noise coming into your ears. Listen to refers to focused perception, paying attention to a specific thing. Sound refers to how something is perceived by you or people. For example, the man hears beautiful tones. The man is listening to a particular song. The music sounds beautiful to the man. Note, we don't often use these words hear and sound in progressive tenses. Listen versus listen to. Listen to identifies the object you are focusing your attention on. Listen doesn't mention, but often implies, the object of your attention. For example, the woman on the left could say, "Go ahead, I'm listening," to you or to your story. To learn more about this topic, see video at link. Or check out our websites for more free English learning resources, eslgold.com and freeenglishstudy.com.